नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVM डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today practical session of case taking. In today's session, we are going to discuss aphorism 100, and we have to follow the guidelines of case taking while taking the case. So, in aphorism 100, in investigating the totality of the symptoms of epidemic and sporadic diseases, it is quite immaterial whether or not something similar has ever appeared in the world before under the same or any other name. In aphorism 100, Dr. Henneman especially mentioned the guidelines while you are dealing in epidemic or sporadic diseases. The novelty or peculiarity of a disease of that kind makes no difference either in the mode of examining or of treating it, as the physician must anyway regard to pure picture of every prevailing disease as if it were something new and unknown, and investigate it thoroughly for itself. If he desires to practice medicine in a real and radical manner, never substituting conjecture for actual observation, never taking for granted that the case of disease before him is already wholly or partially known, but always carefully examining it in all its phases, as a careful examination will show that every prevailing disease is in many respects a phenomenon of a unique character, differing vastly from all previous epidemics to which certain names have been falsely applied, with the exception of those epidemics resulting from a contagious principle that always remains the same, such as smallpox. So, how we get the picture of the disease in this scenario, the epidemic and the sporadic disease? And the next part of this aphorism, that is there is no substitute, no surrogates in homeopathic prescription. We cannot use another medicine in instead of the required one. So there are very fixed parameters, guidelines while tracing the picture, while finding the simillimum in every case. There is no substitute for the simillimum. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.